Hi guys, I'm teacher. For this last word about the English phonetics, I need to do a little video where I talk about three consonant sound. And for my first consonant sound is the play of the manner or the decoration is better. The explain how to create those sounds using the articulate of the word attack. The better a consonant articulate with the back of the top, the dorsal against the soft prey, the back or part of the roof of the mouth. Now how also the better. Look at this picture. The air moving from the back of the mouth, right? And throw an out of your lip. For example, okay, spray and there are voice or invoice. It's an invoice consonant sound, which means that the sound is made by air moving for the you move through all your lip. Using a symbol compress sentence exercise following the sentence identify the word that contain the consonant K sound. For example, this key is very kind. The word contain the sound the consonant sound is kid and can. Thus kid is like kids. Well, look at that. Kif. Like. I need to mark that word. Kyak. Kyak. Okay. Design two pronunciation exercise where you can explain how to produce that sound accurately. For example, the first exercise is write two words and create a symbol, kid and talk, right? And the second is circle the correct one of the K sound contained in its institution is sky, boy, and children now back. Well, my second consonant sound is S. The play of the manner decoration is better. It's better too. Explain how to create those sounds using to create the word attack. There are consonants articulate with the back part of top, the dorsal engage, the soft praise, and back part of the roof on the mouth. Now also at the balloon. And it is saying is explain if they are voice or voiceless. It's a voiceless consonant sound, which means that sound is made by air moving from the back of the mouth through out of your lip. Use a simple complete sentence. For example, follow the sentence identify word that contain the consonant sound, the S sound, school, scale. Design two pronunciation exercise where you can explain how to produce that sound currently. Third, write two words and create a symbol. For example, Z, fell. Circle the correct one of the S sound containing the institution. Stage, first. Well, for my last consonant sound is The play of the manner of articulation below explain how to articulate this sound using the articulation of the word attack. The English below sound are P, B, and It's possible to make better vibrate cave by not closing the lip completely and leave it open narrow enough to close toward a frog. Look at that picture. This sound is start in your lip. Explain if they are voiceless or invoiceless is a voiceless consonant sound, which means that sound is made here and you vocal cord. For example, you can feel a little vibration here. Exercise in 40 sentences identify the word that contain the consonant L sound is May, mother, million, America. Design two pronunciation exercise where you can explain how to produce that sound correctly. First is Write two words that include a symbol. For example, meet, company. Second, the correct one that is that I know is S in is sound contain the institution. For example, from and then. We need to mark that word. Instead, this is all. This video is about the sound, the constant sound. Well, guys, thank you very much. I hope that you can understand everything I say. Thank you, teacher, for everything for this semester. I hope that you continue teaching in UNAT for the rest.